Hello, and welcome to another of Pete's Adventures. We begin with a visit to Clickimin Brock. Spend a little time shopping on Commercial Street in Lerwick. Then move on to the famous Lodbury houses, followed by some harbour views. Now let's get started with Clickimin Brock. First, a word of caution that the sidewalk is quite narrow and the vehicles are driving on the left. The Brock is just a few minutes walk down a gravel path. At the entrance is a sign offering historical information and some of the features of the Brock. You may want to pause the video briefly. The first thing to notice is that the Brock is of dry stone construction and no mortar was used between the stones. This construction was obviously built to last. Overall, the site is very well preserved. Visitors were clearly enjoying their exploration of the site. It's a good idea to take a walk around the perimeter. This gives you a good perspective of the size and the layout of the Brock. We're now heading towards the entrance of the tunnel that takes you into the centre of the Brock. For me, this was the most difficult part of the visit. The tunnel is only 3 feet high in places and about 15 feet long, so be prepared. Here is a good place to view and fully appreciate the dry stone construction. There were several similar alcoves like this which I chose not to explore. Dry stone construction is definitely something to admire. And now it's time to make our way back to Lerwick. This is Commercial Street in Lerwick, and quite busy due to the presence of Holland America ship Nieuw Statendam. There is a wide range of stores with small cafes, banks and a Superdrug. There is even a post office on the left here. And here is the Nieuw Statendam, our transportation to and from Lerwick. The blue doors on the right, close to the waterline, make loading and unloading small boats easy. This has to be the most photographed building in Lerwick because it was featured in the TV series Shetland. The blue and white ship in the distance is one of the numerous ferries operating out of Lerwick. It is small compared to Holland America's Nieuw Statendam. To the upper right of the screen is the hull of a small boat which is inverted and used as the roof of a garage. Most unusual. Swimming in these clear but cold waters is not for the faint of heart. And this brings an end to our visit to Lerwick. We have reboarded our water shuttle and are returning to Nieuw Statendam. Goodbye Lerwick, and thank you for an amazing and memorable visit. Thank you for watching another of Pete's Adventures. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.